My name is Rabas. I'm chairman of the Czech Senate Tibet support group, and we asked the Chinese government to release 11th Panchen Lama of the Tibet, please.
I'm a senator of the Czech Senate, and we care a lot about the human rights. Tibet is not China, so we ask Chinese communists to not oppress Tibetan people. So we are asking to release 11th Panchen Lama.
However hard Beijing tries to remove Panchen Lama of Tibet from people's head and heart, Tibet's Panchen Lama, Gedun Choki Nima, will not be forgotten. I urge China to release him and his family immediately.
As a co-chair of the Czech Parliamentary Support Group for Tibet, I call on immediate release of the 11th Panchen Lama, who was kidnapped with his family 25 years ago, becoming the youngest political prisoner in the world. He was kidnapped actually in the year I was born, and we still don't have proof and solid information by the Chinese government about his health and his state, as well as his family's. So we, as a support group for Tibet, call on his immediate release alongside with other political prisoners that are persecuted by the Chinese government. And we also raise concerns about the persecution of not only Tibetan Buddhists, but also Uyghurs and Chinese Christians who are also persecuted as a religious minority by the Chinese government. We support Tibet.